Hello there and welcome to Orin-X. If you enjoy our tutorials, please subscribe, leave a like and a positive comment. Let's get started. C++ is an extension of the C programming language and is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what C++ is, its history, and why it's still so popular today. Part 1, History of C++. C++ was developed in the early 1980s by Bjorn Stroustrup at Bell Labs. It was designed as an extension of C, with the addition of object-oriented programming features. C++ quickly gained popularity among programmers and was used to create a wide variety of software applications, from operating systems and device drivers to large-scale enterprise software and games. Part 2, What is C++? C++ is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language. It's often referred to as a mid-level language because it provides a balance of control over the computer's memory and high-level abstraction. C++ provides a wide range of features, such as classes, inheritance, and templates, which allow for the creation of reusable and maintainable code. Part 3, Uses of C++. C++ is used in a wide variety of applications, from small embedded systems to large-scale enterprise software. It's often used in game development, computer graphics, and simulations. C++ is also commonly used in the financial industry, for example for the creation of trading platforms and risk management systems. Additionally, C++ is widely used in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Part 4, C++ versus C. C++ is an extension of C, which means it includes all of C's features and provides additional features, such as object-oriented programming. C++ is a more complex language than C, but it provides more flexibility and power. Many developers choose to use C++ when working on large, complex projects, as it allows them to write more efficient, maintainable code. Conclusion: C++ is a powerful and widely used programming language that has stood the test of time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, learning C++ is a great way to gain a deeper understanding of how to write efficient, high-performance code. So if you're ready to take your programming skills to the next level, give C++ a try.